money, hold up, got a cutter, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it.
No one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know.
Alright, welcome back, guys. It's the last day. Last night, went to 2 strip clubs. Straight boo-boo. I ain't even paid to go in. Like, I went into the ATM because I ain't had cash, and I seen probably 5 people in there besides the strippers. Wasn't wasting my money. Then they was charging 25. But the last day, man, we got this excursion, man. We got this trail at Yunque. What that John say? Yunque, I think. Yunque. It's a trail. I think it got a cave, waterfall, natural water slide. You know, water. You know, we like to do that. You feel me? Let me see if I can bring it up right quick. I slept like a baby last night though. I got some, like, well, my Airbnb is connected to another one too, so it's some people from Jersey. It's a group of 3 girls from Jersey. I went out with them to the little strip, not the strip, but we went to some couple bars and ate. You feel me? We stayed out at like 4. Slept so good. Yeah, Yunque Rainforest hike water slide adventure. You feel me? So let's get into that. Last day, we're gonna soak everything in for sure. Definitely gonna miss this place. This is one to remember forever type. You know, just right now, make sure I got everything. What else do I need right quick? Okay, I'm gonna grab these towels. Grab the towels. Everything else should be straight. Everything else good. But yeah, man, last day type vibes. We leave tomorrow morning. Well, not tomorrow morning. Our flight is at 2. So you could say mid-afternoon type. Yeah, mid-afternoon type. Yeah, let's. I think it's a 45-minute drive. You shouldn't do that. Take a little drive. You feel me? You know, last day, man. Let's get it. Let's get into it. You feel me? Good weather. Great, phenomenal weather. Very excited about this excursion. You feel me? I like saying the word excursion. But yeah, very excited for this little part of the vlog, man. I had this. I knew I wanted to plan something type hike-ish. You know, let me turn it around. Something hike-ish, something, you know. Matter of fact, let me get another wife beater right quick. Something hike-ish, water. I like to see water. I like to see water, so you feel me? That's what we're gonna see. Yeah, man. If y'all been watching since the beginning, man, I appreciate it. You feel me? Because in reality, you really don't have to watch my vlog. You feel me? Nobody's making you, but I appreciate it for sure. If you've been sticking with me since the beginning, since day 1, since we got here type. Yeah, if you've been watching since the first vlog, man, I appreciate that, man. I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's put this stuff in the GPS, man. Let's head that way. It's at 12. It's 10:35. So we got a 45-minute drive. Let's get into it. All right. Just check the weather. It says like a 10% chance of rain from 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Hopefully it's not no crazy rain. Hopefully it ain't no rain at all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just had to give y'all a little update. Still headed there. Yeah. Alright, I just left the gas station. Seems to be raining right now. I don't like that. Oh yeah, I don't like that. We still 26 minutes away. Hopefully it ain't doing this over there. That would suck. Yeah, raining a little bit. See, it's like drizzling right. Well, it's drizzling a little bit. We'll catch y'all when we get there, man. We'll have to see. All right, guys. See, it's like, okay, let me tell you the time. 12:44. Park. It's been raining. Hold on. Can't do that one. Sometimes hard, sometimes not hard. But I think I can go check in right quick. Yeah, I can check in right quick.
Yeah. Only thing I need is a picture of the ticket.
Alright. What kind of snake that is?
That's a ball python. My baby.
Ball python.
Yeah. I put it right here. Look at that. You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
She don't do shit.
Girl.
Yeah. She's gentle. She don't do shit.
She's.
Get closer. She don't do shit.
It's not poisonous, is it?
Nah, girl. I'm not gonna bring something poisonous. And believe me, I'm not gonna have
Oh,
something
you
poisonous.
recalling. I want to be in it.
You want to be in it?
Hey guys,
Tell
I'm
them what's
Yaya.
up. Tell them what's up.
Yeah, we're going to the Rainforest
You
today.
feel me? We with Yaya and who else?
Coco.
Yaya and Coco with us today. You feel me?
Alright, what's your name, bro?
Davison, last name right?
I got Salman Fritz, Amanda Chloe Amari Asari.
Right here. Oh, I gotta show you?
That's not me. I'm not with you. You got a text message?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The group chat. I can hold the snake though.
Yeah, bro.
Oh no. I want to hold it, but I'm scared.
You feel me?
Name?
Why you scared?
Because don't get closer.
I got Salman
It's a snake.
Amanda Chloe Amari Asari. You got a text message?
Yeah, Anthony.
You got a regular text?
What's your name, brother?
Davison. Davison, right?
Alright, got you.
What your name is?
Anthony.
Alright, Anthony.
It's not that fast. It's too fast.
So, brother, water, snack, medicine if you need it, and your phone to take pictures and videos. We're
Alright.
driving about 20 minutes from here to the waterfall, okay?
Alright.
No valuable things, no money, no ID, no passport, nothing that you don't want to get wet or nothing.
You said we can bring phone?
You can bring your phone, just nothing else
Alright.
valuable.
Probably ain't gonna bring the phone, gonna grab the GoPro. Shorty said she's scared of the snake. Everything going. Said bring water and a snack. I don't think I'm gonna need a snack though. I'm just gonna bring water. But let's see. I could bring a little snack. Let me see something right quick. There you go. You feel me? And there you go.
Then up there, water activities. Water activities are optional. You don't have to go in the water if you don't want to. Anyway, no jaguars. The only thing we do have to be careful are plants, familia. We have our version of poison ivy. And it's this one right here. We call it pica pica as a nickname. Pica pica translates to ichi ichi. Scientific name is wild rábano or rábano cimarrón de Puerto Rico. Where it works, you break it, it have a white liquor inside, you pass that around, you're gonna be itchy, okay? So just don't touch the green, don't step on the green, don't clean yourself from the green. Avoid the green. Whenever we see a group coming, we're gonna try to scoot over to the right, okay? They're supposed to do the same thing. Vamos, welcome to my backyard, let's do it.
Don't touch the green. Ain't doing no poison ivy.
Praise the Lord, guys.
Go
Beware of the chupacabras. Don't let it near you. It can suck your blood dry in minutes. Okay?
I heard that. I ain't trying to see what that feel like. Nah, I could do this. I'd probably do this all day for real. Going on a hike. Puerto Rico. Hear that water?
Whenever you touch your tap, it will close. Something like the green flower, the one that catches the slide. This one is not catching nothing, just protecting itself from other plants and other animals. It was a way to track people back in the day, the tracking system. Spanish will plant around the river where we have prisoner or slave people. They open back from 5 to 30 minutes.
Literally in the trenches. This is going crazy.
Grab my hand and sit down. See, you can hold on.
Feel me?
No, cup your hands here. Cup your hands here. Okay.
Really in the jungle with it.
You put your hands below you and then just in your legs. Oh, I think I'm gonna stay here.
With a GoPro in my hand though. You straight though. Boy.
Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! Oh my goodness!
So cool as hell. Cool as hell. Trying to find a spot to put our bags down. We learned our lesson.
you.
For sure, for sure.
Sweetheart.
You're welcome. Y'all gonna get in the water?
We're gonna get in the water. Thumbs up. Wish me luck because I feel like I'm about to panic.
Nah, this doesn't seem cool, is it? Cool. Seems very cool. But that water is cold.
It feels good.
Tight, 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 tight. Alright. Now we should be getting active. You hating because you got a life jacket on. I know that's right. Nah, this is cool though. Lacing the shoes up so I don't lose them. Huh? Yeah. Nah, this is crazy though. Finna get down, we gotta go up here and get on this slide right quick. Hot. Finna go up to the slide.
Wait for me, okay? Es que va por aquí como quiera, vente.
Bit rock. This is sweat. This is sweat. For sure. Hey man, say man. Good vibe. Good water. You know what I'm saying? It can't get better than this right here. Time to hit that slide. Yeah, Joel, cool as hell. Joel, cool as hell.
Why is he not in the U.S.
He cool for that.
I got it. You hold this thing.
No.
You always see me slide.
Way down, super easy. Elbows in, I'm grabbing your shoulders. Your chin goes to your chest and your back against the water slide before you start the slide. The only way you can get hurt is if you don't do elbows in. Try to go like this, like this, like this.
Let's get it.
No one can find you. Mashing out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know.